Boiling basics. Mastering the art of cooking in a saucepan. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to explore the phrase, boil in a saucepan. It's a common cooking instruction, but there's more to it than just heating water. Whether you're new to the kitchen or brushing up on your English, this video will help you understand this phrase thoroughly. So, let's get cooking with language. Boil in a saucepan might seem straightforward, but let's break it down. Boiling is a cooking method that involves heating a liquid until it reaches a temperature where it starts to vaporize and form bubbles. A saucepan is a deep cooking pot with a handle, used on a stove. So, when a recipe instructs you to boil in a saucepan, it means you should heat a liquid in the saucepan until it bubbles vigorously. Boiling isn't just for water. You can boil milk, broths, and sauces too. The process usually follows these steps. 1. Pour the liquid into the saucepan. 2. Place the saucepan on the stove. 3. Turn on the heat, usually to a high setting. 4. Wait for bubbles to form and rise to the surface. Remember, boiling is different from simmering, where the liquid is heated to just below boiling point. Boiling in a saucepan is a fundamental cooking technique with various uses. Cooking pasta, rice, or vegetables. They are added to boiling water until they're done. Making soups and broths. Ingredients are boiled to blend flavors and cook them thoroughly. Preparing sauces. Some sauces need boiling to achieve the right consistency. Safety is key when boiling. Here are some tips. Never leave a boiling saucepan unattended. Be careful of steam burns. Open the lid away from your face. Use a kitchen mitt to handle the saucepan. And that's boil in a saucepan for you. I hope this video has helped you understand this basic yet essential cooking instruction. Remember, cooking is as much about language as it is about taste. Happy cooking and learning! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.